We're working within an industry that we felt was just trying to tick boxes. And there were people being left behind and we thought, well, this isn't right.
It's been fireworks with Matthew from the very beginning.
He needs to go at his pace versus what a neurotypical child might be able to do very quickly. For now, swimming has been the main focus and the main sport, and he loves it. It's taken us 3 swim schools to find one that's the right fit for him. Here at South Wales Swim School, Rhys has adapted the philosophy that everybody matters, everybody is included. For Matthew, it allows him to be his own version of himself in a normal environment and be accepted. There's no pressure. Matthew quite often will separate himself from the class if it's a little bit too much, and he just needs that time to regulate. And I think that's really important for him to learn, is how to regulate himself. And I think that's given him major life skills to take into school life. And I honestly put that down to swimming, because they've been so relaxed, letting Matthew be himself, following his direction of how he wants to learn.
What's your favourite thing?
Being a dolphin.
Eve was late at starting the swimming. She started when she was 7 years old. On one Sunday, she went in the deep end and she wasn't confident in crossing the width. So she went a bit jelly and went underneath. She never wanted to go in the water again. Rhys and Rhieni'n, well, they don't like children to have lack of confidence in water. So they provided every week then a free lesson in a shallow pool where she went until her confidence grew. She then went back to her swimming on a Sunday, and now she's advanced to a pre-club swimming on a Monday. She then stays on for her life-saving lessons, comes back on a Thursday then for artistic swimming. So yeah, it's absolutely amazing. It is. She's a happy girl. The happiest place is in the pool.
We very much look at the small things matter. It's about how you speak to people as well as learning the fundamentals. We always say don't rush the first couple of waves. We know for a lot of adults it looks as if we're just playing and we're just having fun in the pool. But that's the point. That's what's going to keep them coming back. And for them to enjoy it, they need those foundations to be strong. For me, I didn't have the best experience at school. My entire family liked sports. Me, I was sci-fi, Star Trek, Star Wars. I was a little bit of an outsider. When I left school and I found my people, it was amazing. And that's what I want in every aspect of the life that I live. For some children, if this is what they like and they don't belong, it's a very cold and lonely existence. That's why I want to try and give a place for anyone who wants to take part in aquatics. The more options you give, the more chance you've got of giving people a place that they can find and think, yeah, this is me, this is what I love.
So with South Wales Swim School, where we are today, they fully embody Foundations Framework Wales, pretty much without even trying. Swim Wales' vision is aquatics for everyone for life, making sure that environment is as positive, as supportive, inclusive as possible, to make sure that every child has the best opportunity to be physically active for the rest of their lives in a safe, fun environment. And the really powerful thing is it's not just pool-based or swimming specific, it's obviously sector-wide. So if you want to get involved and think about Foundations Framework Wales in your Learn to Swim provision, just search for Foundations Framework Wales and get involved.